In today's video, I'm going to show you the radicals of 9 middle key in array input method, and it's letter L on your keyboard, and 9 for the fundamental key is left falling. So we have this one 9 fundamental key left falling, and we also have 9-5. Okay, and let's begin with the first one. The first stroke is 9 left falling, so we press 9 middle and continue the rest. You can see begins with a 7 lit and end with 1 horizontal, so this is a 7-1-7 upper and space. Okay, next one, the first stroke right here is also a left falling 9, so we press 9 middle, and the rest it's a square and a 1 horizontal, so this is 0-1, and 0-1 is at 0 upper and space. First one. Okay, the next one, the first stroke is 9, so left falling 9 middle, and the rest this is a 8-8, 2 dots 8 and 8 here, so 8-8 is at A lower and space. The third one. And the next one, the first row is 9, so 9 middle, and the rest begins with 7 lit and end with dot 6, so this is a 7-6. 7-6 is at 7 lower and space. Alright, continue. The last row right here is a left falling, so this one gets through the same, and this one also here the last row, and last row. Alright, let's begin with this one. Water is 3A, 3 lower, and continue. This is 3-8 again, 3 vertical 8, so 3A, 3 lower again. And the last row right here is a 9 left falling, so we press 9 middle and space. Okay, next one, person on left hand side, person 8 middle fundamental key. And continue. This radical is 5-1. 5 as in right turn, 1 horizontal. 5-1 is at 5 upper. And the last stroke, 9 middle space. Alright, next one, we have this heart right here. So heart begins with dot 6 and with dot 6. 6-6, 6 lower. And the last row right here is a 9 middle and space. Okay, next one begin with 2 dots 8, 2 dots 8, so 8 middle. And continue. This is a 5-1 radical, 5 right turn, 1 horizontal, 5-1, 5 upper. And continue. This row right here is a 5, so 5 middle. Okay, we've done 3. We go to the last one, which is 9, so we press 9 middle and space. Alright, next one, we begin with 1, 2, 1 horizontal and 2 as left turn, 1, 2, 1 upper. And continue. Here's a 3 vertical, so 3 middle. And last row right here is a 9 middle, left falling and space. Okay, next one, begin with left hand side is a 2-1, so 2 upper. And continue. This row right here is a 9, so we press 9 middle. And continue. This is a 5, just like this one right here, 5 middle. Okay, we've done 3. We go to the last row right here, 9 again, 9 middle and space. Alright, the next is exception that we put a 9 middle key is this bamboo here, bamboo. Okay, so these are here. This one we type 9-5 exceptions. Okay, so in this case 9-5, 9 middle key. And continue. Heart 6-6, 6 lower. And continue. This is a 5-1, 5 right turn, 1 horizontal, 5-1, 5 upper. And last we have this person right here through person, 8 middle, and space. Next one, still the same, begin with 9 5, and continue this radical as a 5 middle exception. And then we have a 7 lit, 7 middle. Then last we have this double cross, 4 middle, and space. Okay, next one we have this 9 5 again, 9 5. And continue. This is a 6 7 dot 6 7 lit, 6 7 6 lower. And last one, this radical is a 3 1. Begins with 3 vertical and with 1 horizontal. 3 1 is at 3 upper and space. Okay, if you want to type just this bamboo radical only, simply press 9 middle and space. There you go. Alright, continue. We're taking a look at the 9 5. So as for fundamental key, 9 is a left turn, and right, a 5 is a right turn. So for this one, the first stroke 9 and this end with 5. So here, this part without wood, 9 5, and without mountain, this is also a 9 5. And here, because we escape the middle stroke, so this one is also 9 5. Okay. So for this one bird, 9 5, 9 middle key, and the rest 4 dots, 8 8 8 lower and space. So you have to pick the first one. And next one 9 5, 9 middle key, and we have wood. Wood is 4 8 cross and 8 4 8 4 lower space. Second one. And next one, this character is island. So 9 5 still. And the rest is mountain. So mountain is 3 middle and space. Next one, the same as this one. So we have to pick 9 5 and then 8 8 and space. Okay, you pick the second one. Alright, and the next 9 5 radical I am introducing is right here. You see this stroke is a left falling, and this stroke right here is a right turn. So right here, here, and here, they are all 9 5s. Okay, so for this one, water 3 8 3 lower, and continue the right upper. This is a 9 5. So we press 9 middle key, and the lower, this is a 5 8. 5 as in right turn, and 8 as in right falling. 5 8 5 lower and space. See second one. Okay, next one we have the square right here, so 0 middle, and continue. This is a 9 5, 9 middle, and last we have 3 3 vertical, 3 3 3 upper and space. Okay, the next one begins with 1 horizontal, 1 middle, and we have lower part. This one is a 7 6 7 lit dot 6 7 lower, and continue the right upper 9 5, so 9 middle, and the rest 5 8 5 lower and space. Okay, continue. We have these bigger 9 5. They all begin with right turn. No, left falling 9 and end with right turn 5. So right here in the middle, and also here. Okay, so for this one, we press 9 5 first, 9 middle key, and continue square 0 middle and space. There you go. And next one, to drink. Okay, so left hand side we have mouth, square 0 middle, and continue. This is a 0 1 0 upper, and continue. This is a 9 5 9 middle. Okay, we've done 3. We go to the last one, which is right here. This is a 2 left turn, 2 middle, and space. Alright, the last one. 9/5 still right here. 9/5, 9 middle. And the last two strokes is the 9/9, left falling, left falling. 9/9 is at 9 lower and space. Alright, that's all for the radicals. 9 middle key, letter L on your keyboard. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.